Good kid. Now I gotta find the balls. I can't actually see because of the lip of this cam. Good. Oh, this way?
Yeah.
This won't last long. So please, clap quickly. Say yeah!
Yay!
Charlotte, can you grab the bowling ball for me, please? Charlotte, pick up the knives. I am going to juggle this not heavy bowling ball. Back up, you're making me nervous. We're going to take a formal vote. If you would like to see the balls, clap now. If you would like to see the knives, clap now.
Yay!
And for those of you who didn't vote, welcome to America. I heard you loud and clear. Some style. Everybody, hands up. Everybody, hands up. Lady, do it. I can see you. Yes, guys back here. Everybody. Yes, sir. I can wait longer than you. I'm unemployed. Everybody. Sir, in the... Come on, people! If you all want to see me do a trick with the bowling ball, say yeah!